Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. For the reasons that follow, you ought to possess 2 million Shiba Inu tokens. SHIB updates. An unexpected celebratory countdown by the Shiba Inu development team caught the SHIB army off guard. A mystery countdown adorned with a Shiba Inu peering through a window is now featured on the official SHIB swap page. As the SHIB Twitter army excitedly anticipates the big release, the countdown clock is ticking down to less than 5 hours. Furthermore, you should consider purchasing a Shiba Inu at this time. Anyone with $2 million in the bank will soon be a billionaire. Just how? Pay close attention. Watch this video to find out why you need 2 million Shiba Inu tokens. SHIB updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. For the most impatient SHIB members, the wait may finally be over, as Shiba Swarim will most likely be the subject of the update. Shiba Swarim is reportedly prepared to debut its beta version according to crypto enthusiast Crypto Nutty. Shiba in the Metaverse, the Web3 project of the meme coin, cannot be run without the Layer 2 upgrade. Also, the newly launched network is going to use Bone Shiba Swap, the other altcoin in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, to pay for gas. The Shiba army quickly became the dominant force on cryptocurrency Twitter following the countdown announcement, with several hot hashtags like as #ShibaArmy, #Bone, and #Shibarium. The fact that Shiba Inu, a meme coin based on Japanese guard dogs, became one of the most watched crypto assets on Binance, the biggest crypto market in the world, is more proof of the coin's appeal. According to the data, Shiba Inu was the second most valuable cryptocurrency right after Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. The biggest Ethereum whales have already shown their preference for the meme money, which is 2 years old. Nevertheless, there has been a notable uptick in the number of Binance Smart Chain BSC whales in recent trends. This means that, despite the severe crypto winter, the overall number of wallets is rising. CoinGecko reports that as of the 19th of December, Shiba Inu is trading at $0.0000868 an increase of 2.1% over the previous day. The meme cryptocurrency has spent the majority of the year trading at a discount to its critical resistance line, which was $0.0001. Among the top 100 cryptocurrencies that have seen price increases today, Shiba Inu is one of the handful that has climbed 1.5%. Bitcoin and Ethereum are having trouble maintaining important support zones, and investors have turned their focus back to the worldwide meme market. Shiba Inu prices started to recover when a mysterious countdown went live on the project's Twitter account, which had been causing a precipitous fall in value over the previous few weeks. Users were kindly requested to grant the domain name service permission to propagate correctly prior to the countdown. Perhaps the Shiba Inu community is banking on the introduction of new tokens Leash and Bone to propel the price of Shiba Inus to $1. Reportedly, the Shiba Inu incubator is also advertising a perhaps novel reward system as part of the enigmatic countdown. After recovering from support at $0.0008, the Shiba Inu price is getting ready to remove another zero. The market cap of the second biggest cryptocurrency has risen to $0.000871 after 3 straight green candles. A successful breakout above the token's short-term resistance level of $0.0009 is necessary. The Shiba Inu price may encounter resistance at $0.000946, which is supported by the 50-day exponential moving average, if the current trend continues. Not to mention that Shiba Inu is also making steady progress towards a falling wedge breakthrough. At the moment, everything is centered around the bullish movement that aims to crush the seller bottleneck at $0.00009. Once Shiba Inu breaks and maintains above the top trend line of the wedge pattern, traders who are looking to trigger their long positions may want to consider doing so. Shiba Inu has the potential to reach a goal price of $0.00016, a rise of 66.45%, if it can break out of its current pattern. A possible bullish trend reversal could be on the horizon if a falling wedge pattern is present. The 66.45% target price reflects the typical exact and substantial price movement that follows this breakout. As demonstrated in the picture, this objective is determined by carrying the distance between the wedge's highest points beyond the breakout point. Traders who are following the uptrend should pay close attention to the price action of Shiba Inus at critical levels, particularly those indicated by the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day exponential moving averages. When prices break above these averages, it could indicate the presence or lack of bullish momentum. The bull clearly has control of SHIB, very so at this very moment when the stochastic oscillator is going to break out of its midline. Shiba Inu prices could sustainably rebound to 0.00016 USD if they continue to move into the overbought range, which might attract additional previously uninterested investors. The amount of Shiba Inu coins kept offline keeps growing, even if the cryptocurrency market is now very volatile. Sentiment reports that as of September there were 857.63 trillion SHIB tokens in non-exchange wallets, and as of now there are around 866.84 trillion. More and more investors are opting to keep their assets off the exchanges, which bodes well for the Shiba Inu pricing. People may be deciding to hold on to the token for the long haul because they think it will have future rally potential. Basically, it might be interpreted as a good indicator for the asset's future worth as more and more SHIB tokens are being held outside of exchanges. With its entry into the multi-billion-dollar payment business, Shiba Inu achieves a new milestone. More than 60 million establishments throughout the globe are already accepting SHIB payments, according to Garda, the leading non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet provider. This success is a result of Garda's prepaid Visa card offering supporting the meme coin. With the announcement of more token integrations, the platform now supports more than 20 different cryptocurrencies. Additionally, BUSD, DAI, Doge, AAV, and Atom have been added. With these integrations, users of the Garda wallet will be able to load their Garda prepaid Visa cards quickly and effortlessly, making it easier for them to purchase during the holidays. Earlier this year in August, the site introduced its card service. It said at the time that the product was available in 25 more EU nations. Physical and virtual card alternatives are both covered. They are compatible with any system that accepts Visa and can be linked to additional payment methods, such as Apple Pay. The launch of Garda Wallet's prepaid Visa card is something the company is really excited about. This card is widely recognized everywhere Visa is accepted, so you may use it for all your online and in-store shopping needs. The business took note. Not only has Garda announced support for SHIB, but there are other payment solutions as well. Additionally, FCF Pay added more meme coin support last month. American Airlines and Air Canada have both stated that SHIB holders can now use SHIB to pay for flight tickets. Hundreds of online shops, like Amazon and Netflix, already accepted FCF Pay crypto-enabled prepaid Visa cards. In the same way that Garda's integration is available in the US and Canada, FCF Pay cards may also be added to Apple Pay and Google Wallet. A large number of online shops, including Amazon and crypto-based streaming provider Netflix, now accept SHIB, according to the report. In addition, FCF Pay lets its virtual Visa cardholders change their cryptocurrency to local money through integration with Apple Pay and Google Wallet in the United States and Canada. The payments industry's interest in SHIB suggests the token might evolve from a meme coin into something more practical. The subsequent increase in the price of might be a result of this. With a 3.08% increase over the past 24 hours, SHIB was trading at approximately $0.00088 USD as of press time. Prices have fallen by over 90% from their all-time high of $0.000875 in October 2021. However, SHIB is finding usage in many places than only payments. There is a great deal of excitement in the Shiba Inu community around upcoming project launches, such as a metaverse platform and a solution for scaling at Layer 2. We are finished for the day. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.